Are you a project manager and are you struggling with training your users on the system that you're implementing? Or are you getting pushback from the business that you can't take people out of their day-to-day jobs to get them trained on the platform that you're implementing? Yes, then let me tell you a story how we helped a customer reduce the system training to zero. So what we did for this customer was in the process of migrating from multiple different systems to Salesforce as a centralized CRM and services tool. We got involved approximately 2 months before the go live. The reason for that was the project manager had initially planned to train the 2,000 employees on the new software using virtual classrooms like Teams and using some PowerPoint presentations. When this plan was presented to the steering committee, he got massive pushback from the business leaders that he couldn't take the people out of the day-to-day business, out of working with their customers to follow this training. So on very short notice, the project manager had to come up with a new way of training the users. And that is when he reached out to us, and leveraging WalkMe as a digital adoption platform, we digitized the complete onboarding process. So all the things that the new users, the employees needed to know was put in an onboarding journey, like what are the key concepts of Salesforce that he or she needs to know? What are the key activities? How to create an opportunity, how to create accounts, which data was migrated, how to create services cases, where are my old services cases? So all that we embedded into a nice digital onboarding for the users that the user could go through as soon as the user got the first time into Salesforce as a new system. So I think without talking about money and KPIs, I think the biggest feedback that we got was this is the smoothest system go live that we have ever had. So we can talk about reducing training time and so on. No, what we're talking about is a very happy customer, very happy business leaders, and this is also a value that we are creating. What more came out of this case is after go live, of course, there were issues with Salesforce. There is never a system implementation that is totally smooth. But again, leveraging digital adoption, we were able to channel these cases to the right audiences. So as soon as there was an issue, we were able to proactively communicate with the users. Hey, there is an issue on this page in the application. Here is a workaround how you can still get your work done. And once it is solved, we were able to tell the user, hey, this issue has been solved. Now you can do it in the normal way. This is how it continues. So we could again retrain the user on doing things that they are supposed to do. We also could leverage the digital adoption to guide the users. It could be to the super user answering some questions. It could be to IT when there was a system issue. So that way, the project manager was also able to manage the noise post go live by leveraging digital adoption. So if you're in a challenge on you can't keep people out of the business, you still need to train them. You want to have 100% digitized onboarding and training journey for your users, or you simply want to manage your change management post go live, just send me a personal message and I'm happy to look at your case together.